are my bird friends. Who are you going to play with now? This is an eagle. It has a hook-like beak. Where are the eagles? Go and look for them. I found them. Eagles live high up on the treetop. The eaglets are learning to fly. The eaglet is a little scared. Its mother encourages it to fly. Drag the eaglet. Don't bump into trees. Wow, the eaglet has finally learned how to fly. Great work. The eagle comes to the sea to look for food. Make sure to find this fish. Wow, the eagle is really fast. It caught a fish. Fantastic. And another one. Make sure to find this fish. Wow, the eagle is really fast. Make sure to find this fish. It caught a fish. Fantastic. Wonderful. So many fish. Daddy Eagle has found so much food. All the eaglets have eaten their fill. They're so happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Eagle. Let's play again next time. This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean. Wow! Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot. So pretty. Wow! The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Mango. Mango! Mango! Wow! Amazing! I want this. This. Orange! 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 Wow! Amazing! I want this. Apple! 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 I want this. Cherry! 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 Wow! Amazing! Daddy Parrot has got some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot. Let's play again next time. This is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. I found them! Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about. Oh no, an eagle is coming. Beat the eagle off. The cygnets' parents are protecting them. Good job! The eagle is driven away! Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now, but there are still some other things. Cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. They're full and are strong enough to fly on. I had a great time playing with you, my friend. Swan!